It only took me about 10 years to get this right.
Oh, really?
I'm just gonna pretend like nothing happened. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us here on Moflakes. I've got my friends Anya and Vanya visiting today, and we're going to make some snowflakes. Anya and Vanya, where are you from?
Ukraine.
Ukraine?
Yes.
What city in Ukraine?
Mariupol.
They have come to Texas and they're living here, not here, but in spring. We love our friends from Ukraine and we're going to learn how to make some paper snowflakes, and hopefully I'll learn how to say some words in their language.
I'm Vanya and I like play video games.
I'm Anya and I like to play violin. I like make paper snowflake.
I like making snowflakes too. But before we start making some snowflakes, I want to learn how to say some things. Okay? So you guys are gonna teach me.
Okay.
First off, what is this?
Paper.
And how do you say it?
Бумага.
Bumaga.
Yes.
Paper is bumaga. Da?
Yes.
Da. And if I turn it into a snowflake, how do you say snowflake?
Снежинка.
Снежинка?
Yes.
Снежинка. Снежинка. Снежинка is bumagi.
Yes.
Да?
Yeah.
Снежинка is bumagi. Снежинка is bumagi. Да?
Yes.
I got it. How do you say hello?
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. What?
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
No.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Спасибо.
Little correct.
Little.
Not really.
Not really. Let's get some paper cutting. Grab some bumagi and we are going to fold and cut paper
Okay.
snowflake. I got these special scissors here.
Scissors.
A very sharp tip. Ouch. Sharp. How do you say scissors?
Ножницы.
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 Nojniczny. Okay.
It's
We give up
fine.
on that one. Take the corner,
Yes.
fold it down, and line up this edge here.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay. I'm done.
How do you say good?
Хорошо.
Хорошо?
Yes.
Ah, хорошо. Now we're going to cut off this extra piece.
Yeah.
Okay. Fold this in half.
Oh.
How do you say fold?
Maybe согни.
Согни.
Sagni,
Согни.
bumagi.
Согни бумагу.
So after you fold it in half, we're gonna open it again and then folding it into thirds. We break this into 3 parts here. This line's gonna go up to that third part, okay? But it's really hard to know exactly where that is. So watch this. I'm gonna hold this finger here so I can move it. And I'm gonna fold this one over. I'm not pushing down on that yet. And see how that doesn't line up? It needs to line up here and there. So I can just move it.
Oh, really?
Oh,
How?
but that's too far. So then I move it back. Too far. So I just go back and forth until it lines up as good as I can. And then I push on this side first. You can see that?
Oh, yes.
Now one more thing is we have to fold this in half. One more time.
How here?
Yeah, kind of right there, but you just want to try to get all of those last lines matching up. And then you're gonna crease this down.
Oh, really?
Cut across there. And cut off the
I
top
can do?
part. Mm-hmm. You're gonna cut off the top part. Yep. There you go. All right, that is the first major step of cutting a snowflake. The rest is kind of up to you how you want to do it. I'm gonna just draw a line all the way down, just a little bit away from the edge. Should we cut it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Cut out all of that
Yeah, I know.
and all of that, but don't cut it along those lines.
Because if you made this,
Wait,
you don't have
this I need or this is I need.
black.
Yeah, so cut along the black line. There you go. Don't cut that off. Oh no.
Yeah.
Can I see? All right, do you want to see your snowflake?
No.
It's really cool. Oh yeah.
Do you know what that looks like to me? Walmart. It's the Walmart logo. So you can start making another one if you want. Do you want me to fold you one real quick? Watch. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
This
So
is
just
I
cut out the colored parts.
need- Yes.
This line here is going to be twice as wide, double as wide. I think it looks great.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's like a flower.
Wow. All right. Oh,
Crocodile.
hey, there you go. I'm pretty close to being done, but I'm going to do a little fancy something in the middle here, just for fun. See that?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
See that? But look, they started out the same, and they're just a little bit different. But that's what snowflakes are. All snowflakes are unique. Yeah, I have a snowflake here, so if I put it here, it looks really confusing. This is not going to work with that going on in the background. This is really tricky. Then it's flimsy. You know that word?
Oh,
Flimsy.
yeah.